Hello. In our next video, we're going to be taking a look at the petty cache management functionality within X3. Um, Many organizations will keep petty cache in a safe or in a lockbox on premise at their facility to take care of a lot of miscellaneous expenses. And X3 has a module that you can utilize to help in the management of the petty cache. So to start, let's take a look at some of the required setups for the petty cache. To do this, we're going to come under our Common Data menu, then to BP Accounting Tables, then over to the option here for Petty Cache. So this is where you would come to set up your petty cache drawer. So in here, we're going to go ahead and we'll give it a code, and you'll tie the petty cache to a particular company, and then you'll come in here and establish a journal code which will govern what balance sheet account the petty cache will be kept. Okay, so this is really the only required portion of the setup. So next, let's take a look at how to perform petty cache receipts into the petty cache drawer, as well as issuing petty cache out to individuals who need it for various expenses. So this is going to be accomplished through the AP/AR accounting module, down under payments and payment receipt entry. In here, I'm going to scroll down through my entry transactions, and we'll go ahead and start by performing a petty cache receipt. So in the United States legislation, we utilize this entry transaction REC-PC for petty cache receipts. In here, I will come and click on the New button. I'll go ahead and give it a new batch number, specifying in my description field the date in which the deposit was made into the petty cache drawer. Then down here in the account field, I'm going to specify the bank account from which I withdrew the petty cache. So in here, I'm going to use my bank account 1. So basically, I'm transferring it from one of my operating bank accounts into the petty cache drawer. My cache code down here is going to be my petty cache code. And let's do a deposit of $2,000. I'll go ahead and do a create. My record's now been created. Then I can come over and perform a post. And that will go ahead and create my journal entry. Okay, so that from a posting perspective, that transaction is going to debit my petty cache account and credit my operating bank account. Okay, so that's how one puts funds into the petty cache drawer. Now, next, as it relates to withdrawing funds from petty cache, again under my AP/AR accounting, payments, payment receipt entry, and I'm going to come down to my entry transaction pay PC for petty cache issues. Come and click on the New button. And in here, I'm going to specify the expense account that I want to have charged. So in this case, I'm going to say that this withdrawal of petty cache was for some entertainment that our company was hosting. specify my petty cash code again. And maybe this cost us a withdrawal of 750. Tab through, then simply come over, create the petty cash withdraw, then we'll go ahead and post it. And that goes ahead and creates my journal entry. And again, in this case, that journal entry is going to go ahead and credit my petty cash balance sheet account and debit, in this case, my entertainment expenses. Okay, so that is how one manages petty cash within X3. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, I'd ask you to please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, feel free to inbox me if you have any questions.